Hello and welcome to a short TFM tutorial. In this video, we are going to be talking about limit orders. On TFM, users can create market and limit orders. For example, we can trade one token, Axela USDC, for another token, Osmo, at the market rate. Or we can also create a limit order, and traders can use limit orders to try and buy the dip or prepare to sell tokens when their price increases. For example, we can try to see if we can buy Osmo at a little bit of a discount. And when a limit order has been created, it appears in this bottom section here. This one is going to be live for 1 week. You can set the length of your limit order in this section here. Depending upon the limit price you choose, your order may fail quite quickly, or you may have to wait for a longer period of time. It may not even fail at all. But TFM gives users the flexibility to create limit orders their way.